Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and you are watching my videos. Welcome back to your next English class. As you know, this is your Nupur ma'am, and without delaying our time, I will start today's class. And you can see the heading, the little girl. As you can understand what I am trying to say, means I was teaching this chapter, right? And I have completed by telling the all story in a short way. I hope you have understood. And there are 12 paragraphs, so I told you to read all the paragraphs, like all the lines. If there will be any problem, definitely ask me. So right now still I am telling same thing. If you have any problem, you can ask me in a comment box, okay? And I have told the theme of the story, means the central idea I have given, and main characters, and these are the paragraphs starting from lines. This is, you can see the starting line like this. So you can see the chapter in your NCERT app, I already told. So I hope you have downloaded it, and I hope you have seen the all chapters, right? Who was a KG? Like now, if I will ask anything else to you, so you can give me answers. So who is Kezia, and why was she fear for her father? How was his father? How was her father? And what was the reason for fearing? And what happened in the day before the birthday of her father? And what kind of person his father was? Okay, he was less dominating figure, and he was always trying to give order to all of them, to his wife and daughter also, right? And what happened on that day? She made a pin cushion with the important papers, which was torn by her, right? So, and after that, what happened when and on that moment she was punished by her father, and she saw the McDonald, the neighbor, how that person was behaving with their children. So she was also wanted his father like that. And I hope you have already seen in the last some paragraphs, like uh, 9 to 12 paragraphs. You can see there that uh, her mother was ill, and she was in hospital, so her grandmother and mother, both of them were not there. So she was alone with her father, and on that day she realized that his father has a inner hurt, a great hurt. How you can understand? You, I think you read the story, I think you wrote the lines, right? So this was the basic story of the chapter, right? So I have told you. So today, again I am telling, if there will be any problem to understand any meaning, there are so many meanings in your book, you can see those, right? So if there will be any problem to understand, definitely you can ask me in comment box, okay? Or in the next Zoom meeting also you can ask me, okay? Point out your problems and you can ask me, okay? So there will be no problem. So next, now I am giving you some questions. You can pause your video and you can write down in your copyright. I hope you can see the video, okay? See, answer the following questions in one or two sentences. First, these are the questions from your exercise. You can see in your book, okay? You can see that thinking about text. So there are some column A and column B, okay? There are some short thing that you can do, I think. So these are the questions. See, why was Kezia afraid of her father? Kezia was afraid of her father because he was strict with her and was quite reserved. Like I can hope that you can see. Next, second question: who were the people in Kezia's family? Kezia's family consisted of her mother, father, and grandmother. What was Kezia's father's routine before going to office and after coming back of his office? Okay, you can see this all in your paragraphs. Okay, next. And on Sundays, what was he doing? So this is a question. So You can pause your video and you can write down these questions and answer. Okay, next. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Okay, as she suggested to give a birthday gift, right? And what was the process? Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to go to get to know her father better by sending her to the drawing room to talk to him. Okay, this was you. I hope you already got in your chapter, right? And these are the questions, little bit broad questions. See, means 100 to 150 words. Discuss these questions in your class with your class teacher, and then write it. Right? You can see the question. See, Kezia's effort to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? See, this is the answer. So what can you do? You can pause your video and you can write down in your copy this all question and answer. Okay, this is the second question. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald? Who is Mr. MacDonald? Their neighbor. And how was he different from Kezia's father? Okay. Sorry. And this is another question. How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? I hope you can see. Kezia's mother is sick and her grandmother is with her at the hospital. So, right. I hope you can see the questions. Right. So you can pause your video and you can write down the question and answer. Okay. And there are some more questions. These are the your exercise you can see in your book, right? So, and these are some more questions. See, these are some more questions. Answer this following question, 30 to 40 words. These are some more questions. Who did the girl fear and avoid, and why? How did the girl feel when her father left her for work? And what would the father do when he come home? This is a similar question already you have got. Okay, but this is a pattern of the question is different. Okay, listen, one question you can get by different way. Okay, so that is why I'm giving this question. If you want to remember any one of answer, you can do. Okay, already this question you have already got before. Right, I have told already this question that what the behavior of his father before going to office, after coming to office. So this is what the question, what would the father do when he came home? Means when he came back to home from office, what was his behavior? Okay, so this is the same question already you have got, but the question pattern is different, right? So you can pause your video, you can write down, right? And these are the another question. Why did the father feel that the child always seemed to appear on the brink of suicide? Next, what did the grandmother make the girl do on Sunday afternoons? What was the girl snitching? What did she stuff it with? And briefly describe the girl's nightmare. Next, what did the father do when the girl had a nightmare? You can understand it, and you will get in this last paragraphs, right? So, and on that moment, how she and realize. So, okay, this is the answer. She can see the answer. So you can pause here also, and you can write down. Okay, if there will be any problem to understand, definitely ask me in comment box. See, next, and answer the following question in 100 to 150 words. These are some extra questions. See, what shows you that the little girl was scared of her father? Next, In what way was the MacDonald family different from the little girls? Right. I hope you can see. Right. I hope you can see. You can zoom also, and you can see, and you can pause your video, and there is some extra question. See, did Kezia's relationship with her father change? Give reasons for your answer. Right. I hope you can see, and I will attach this question and answer by the pictures with this video. Okay. So if you can't understand from here, so you can I hope it is clear to you, right? Yeah. What I was telling, if you can't understand from here, so you can see that those pictures, right? So yeah. So I have completed this all chapter, and with the question answers also. So now it is your duty to write down all the question answers in your book, and in your copy, and to remember all the chapters, to remember all the meaning, and understand all the paragraphs, right? And definitely to learn this question answer, to remember this question answer. Okay. So if there will be any problem, definitely ask me in comment box there. Okay. Or you can ask me in the next Zoom meeting also. Okay. So point out where you want to know, and if there will be any problem, definitely ask me on that moment. Sure. So thank you so much. Have a nice day, and keep watching my video. Wait for the next video. Until then, please read these all chapters. Okay, whatever I have given you, read this all and try to understand. Okay, thank you so much.